പോളിൽ മത്സരം പരാജയപ്പെടുമ്പോഴും ഫസ്റ്റ് ബോൾ. Very well ball, good pace. Hits it well, but not good with a good connection. Single taken. Wow, that is a superb one. Facing the first ball, he rightly picked over the mid wicket for a mighty hit. Well ball right on the pad. LBW ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ plum in front. 7 runs considered by Johnny. Ullas into the bowling side. Ball number 1. First ball, Adil. Shot. The young man is doing the great eventful thing for team. Number 2, look at that man, it's standing. Oh, not standing, he's sitting. He didn't take in the shot. Boundary line മുകളിലൂടെ. It's a chance. Taken. Akhil is the new batter. Oh. First ball, ശോഭയാർന്ന രീതിയിൽ Akhil press shot. Number 2 trying to continue the copy paste, but not the wicket nashtam. With a powerful shot into the long on. It's a single runs to end over. 27 loss of 1 wicket. The left arm spinner, a left arm cutter bowler introducing. Very well ball, dot ball. It's a chance. Oh God, very happy to see a man collecting a sky catch. Johnny, good connection, good collection. Battery. That ball in Udhaya reading library. Midun Shampoo for team City Kings. Hold on, and it's cleared mile away. വലിയ ഷോട്ട് അടിച്ചാലും ഒരു സിക്സർ മാത്രമായിരിക്കും. I mean ഒരൊറ്റ റൺസ് മാത്രം. 6. Please. Number 3, wow, it's a superb shot. A man arrived and it's straight away 3 maximum. What a start. Number 4. What a comeback from this man. 3 over 51, 4 ball, 4 sixes. Well ball, rightly ball, it's a turn, just inches away. Inches. Midun Shampoo. 4 ball, 4 sixes. Oh, that is a good leg one. I mean a good length, full length one. അതിനെയും നല്ല രീതി very good shot. അതിൽ നേടാൻ പറ്റുന്ന maximum നേടിയിരിക്കുന്നു. A full length ball. He just with a single. Kunu with the ball. Full toss in the air. Oh, it's another dropping chance, but he collected at last rightly. Vishnu. First ball വരുന്നു അടിക്കുന്നു ആദ്യ ബോളിൽ തന്നെ വരും 6 to start. Players name. Look at it. That's showing the strength of the batting lineup. Another one this time. Oh, puts it down. ഇന്നേ ദിവസം ഫീൽഡേഴ്സ് നഷ്ടപ്പെടുത്തുന്ന 100ാമത്തെ ക്യാച്ച് നിമിഷം. I'm not mentioning someone and Midun. Oh, trying for a big one inside each. And it's completed with a brilliant over. 9 runs. Just a 1 maximum to end of the over. First ball, it's into the hands of boss. Oh, boss. Netti poyirikkunnu boss. The captain. Captain Vali. Good one, good delivery. Look at that captain. Tante wicket nashtapadunnathil yadoru Shambhu with a good looking one. Another run out. Oh, Shambhu, and it's a clean shot. Very well ball. Clicks on the body. At leg by single to end of the first inning. 69 Tirupalli.
Sorry, 69 runs Vijay.
Apu started with the dot ball for team Zit. Oh, that is a good delivery once again, and it's going for a second, but at last, come fast bowler, perfection, but just away from the guideline. Short ball pulls and in the air. Yes, clearly collected by the fielder Amin Avasanam. മത്സരത്തെ വിഷ്ണു വിൻ ചെയ്യിപ്പിക്കുമോ എന്നുള്ളത് നോക്കിക്കാണാം. Perfect. 2 runs so far. Flooded one, and it finds into the hands of the fielder. Vishnu vannu poi വളരെ പെട്ടെന്ന്. The scoreboard like a goals scorecard. Another good pace of the delivery, and it just plays it well into the on-square leg. Consider 3 and 2 wicket. ബോസിന്റെ വക ഓൺ സൈഡിലേക്ക് ഒരു ശക്തമായ ഷോട്ട്, സിംഗിൾ കൊണ്ട് തൃപ്തി. Well ball right on the pads. Good pace. Another good one. Another good shot. But not with the full control. Dot ball. Sorry, it's a single. Oh, much good swing, but not on the right connection. The ball was rising. Was the fielder? Wind rise. Wicket. It's in the air. Oh, 101. 101. Full control bowling display. Oh, at last, a swinging one by Anish. Fifth. White starts. It's a chance for catch. Oh. It's a single counter. Bulldoze one, not hits it really well. Another single taken. Slower delivery, and Jumbo collected very well. Very well bowled.
Bowling.
Once again, another good one, and it's going for a single. Direct hit. It's not counted with a wicket. It's counted dot ball. Overall, 44-ന്റെ target. Well ball. Oh, again a good swing. Good swing. Oh. Yes, I am here. Hi. Very well bowled. Another good one. Another good delivery. It's in the air, it's a chance for catch. Oh, but safely landed. And looking for a double. Yes, completed. And looking for a third, not this time. 2 runs completed. Now 8 balls, 40 to win. 8 ball, 40. Wow, it's a superb shot. Vaigi. Very well ball. Dot ball and end of the over. 6 ball. Not like any kaipidi leg. Good swing and it's swing and a miss. Very well balled again. 3 ball, 33. This time a clear call, it's a wide. Sure, that is a much needed point for someone. And positions also. Very well bowled, but outside the guy. Lightning one, cooker one. Wicket gone. City Kings wait for the final one. Dot ball. And we just a few seconds we will